How to use Google Keep on Android note taking app. So hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we need to simply go to Play Store. Here search for Google Note. So I'll simply search for Google Note. Let's search for Google Note. Now wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see Google Keep. So simply click on that and download it. So once you download it, I will simply click on that. Here you guys will see Google Workspace. So now click on that plus icon. Here you guys can see audio, image, drawing, list, text. So it's up on you. For example, I want to note text. Simply I will click on text. Here you guys can write the title of your noting area or whatever you call it. For example, the title was TIK. Now here I want to remember that 2 kg tomato. After that you guys simply back. Once we back, it was saved. So for pinning that, simply hold on that. Once you hold on that, here you guys can see on top pin option, simply click on that pin. Also you guys can change the color of that. For example, I will hold on that. Here you guys can see on third icon draw option, simply click here. Now select the color, and that's it, the color was changed. So that's how you guys can use Google Keep Notes on Android. Thanks for watching.